Apply pandas function to column to create multiple new columns. How to do this in pandas? I have a function extract text features on a single text column, returning multiple output columns. Specifically, the function returns 6 values. The function works, however there doesn't seem to be any proper return type, pandas dataframe/numpy array/python list, such that the output can get correctly assigned df.9 column, 10 column 16, equals df.textcall.map extract text features. So I think I need to drop back to iterating with df.iteros, as per this update. Iterating with df.iteros is at least 20x slower, so I surrendered and split out the function into 6 distinct .map lambda ... calls. Update 2. This question was asked back around v0.11.0, before the usability df.apply was improved or df.assign was added in v0.16. Hence much of the question and answers are not too relevant.
Building off of user 1827356's answer, you can do the assignment in one pass using df.merge. Edit. Please be aware of the huge memory consumption and low speed, this URL.
I usually do this using zip.
In 2020, I use apply with argument result type equals expand.
This is what I've done in the past. Editing for completeness.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.